Today I'm going to teach you how to outline text in Adobe Acrobat Pro. This is particularly useful when you need to preserve the exact appearance of your fonts, especially if you're preparing documents for professional printing or sharing files where the recipient might not have the same fonts installed on their system. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to Recent Files and select the file you want to work with. This brings up your document and gets you ready to start the outlining process. Now look over to the left panel of your screen. Here you'll need to navigate to All Tools, then click View More. This expands the full range of tools available in Adobe Acrobat Pro, giving you access to more advanced features that aren't immediately visible in the standard view. From this expanded Tools menu, look for Use Print Production and click on it. The print production tools are specifically designed for preparing documents for professional output, which is exactly what we need for outlining text. This section contains various pre-press and production workflows that help ensure your documents are print-ready. Once you're in the print production area, click on Preflight in the left panel. Preflight is Adobe's powerful tool for analyzing and fixing potential issues in PDF files. It's essentially a quality control system that can detect and correct problems before they become issues down the line. In the top toolbar, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Essentials. This filters the Preflight options to show you the most commonly used profiles and fix-ups, making it easier to find what you're looking for without scrolling through hundreds of technical options. Next, click on PDF Fix-ups. This section contains automated fixes that can modify your PDF in various ways. It's a powerful feature that can perform complex operations with just a few clicks, saving you significant time and effort. Now look for the option labeled Convert Fonts to Outlines and click on it. This is the key step in the process. Converting fonts to outlines transforms your text from editable font characters into vector shapes. While this means the text can no longer be edited as text, it ensures that the visual appearance will be identical on any system, regardless of whether the fonts are installed. After selecting this option, click Analyze and Fix. Adobe Acrobat will now process your document and convert all the fonts to outline shapes. Depending on the size and complexity of your document, this might take a moment, so just give it some time to complete the conversion. Once the processing is complete, you'll be prompted to save your file. Select the location where you want to download the outlined version. You can rename the file if needed to distinguish it from your original, then click Save. This ensures you keep both versions, the original editable file and the outlined version, for distribution or printing. And that's it. You've successfully outlined all the text in your Adobe Acrobat Pro document, making it completely portable and ensuring it will display exactly as intended on any system. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.